Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Anna and I'm a little bit spooky, and today we're playing with the Naked Cherry palette. We created kind of a dramatic, very cherry tone look and paired it with a super deep bold lip. And yeah, I really like the way this look came out. It's not quite as dramatic as I thought it was gonna be initially, but I like it. I think it came out really pretty. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep on watching, but before you do, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below some looks you would like to see. And without further ado, let's get into this makeup look. Okay, I've already got my eyebrows done, eyes are primed in my usual routine, and we're just gonna jump in with the Naked Cherry palette and kind of do something a little smoky, a little dramatic, a little dark, because I just want to. I want to play. And I think we're just gonna start out with the brow bone and going into hot spot just right under here to highlight. I really like to always have the brow bone highlighted first. It also makes blending much easier. Okay, and then moving on to a fluffy brush, we're gonna go into Feels and start running that through the transition. Feels is a really nice shade. There's a warmth in it and a coolness. It's very interesting. It's a very good shade. I think the color selection of the Naked Cherry is very nice. Like, it has some coolness to it and kind of a mauve feel, but it also has a nice warmth. It makes it a little more wearable. Whereas sometimes Naked 3 can look a little washed out. This one I think is kind of almost an updated version of Naked 3. Okay, on a Morphe 443, I'm gonna go into Bing, and I'm just gonna start bringing this through the crease. Bring it pretty high past my crease, like towards the brow bone some. Letting it kind of flow into the transition, but very lightly. Okay, I'm going to take the fluffy brush once again with Feels and go around this outer edge. Just make sure it's good and blended. So I've noticed all these colors seem to play beautifully with one another since I've been using this palette. Now I'm going to take a Morphe 456 and I'm going to go into Privacy, and I'm going to start building that on the outer corner. I'm just going to blend that up just a little bit, letting it flow into Bing. I'm gonna go back to my brush that had Bing, a little bit up, blend around that. I think I'm gonna cut the crease and go in with Young Love on the lid. I think I'm gonna do like kind of a half crease kind of situation. I'll get back in with the 456 and just kind of soften that edge a little bit. No additional product at the moment. And then we're going to take a Morphe M562 and a little bit of Bing and take it right around where we carved out that crease. Just to kind of build a little depth right there. I should have blended higher. And blend that out with Feels. Taking a little bit of Privacy just around here and looping it around. Okay, and on the lid we're going to take Young Love on a flat brush. This is a Morphe 124. We're going to kind of focus this on the center of the lid. Make the inner portion blank. Yeah, this one might perform better on my finger. It's a little lackluster. I just want a little more vibrancy from it than what I'm getting. I'm gonna go with my finger. Okay, there she is. Oh yeah, finger. Finger 100%. You could probably also dampen your brush for this one. So I'm just gonna smooth those edges now. Okay, I'm gonna bring in a little more depth on that outer part. 506. I'm gonna take a little more privacy just on this outer part right here. This one's just a little bit denser than the M562. Okay, and then around the edge of that, we're gonna take the M562 and Bing. And on the inner part, I'm going to take Bang Bang. Oh yeah, that's my husband's nickname in the army, Bang Bang. I'm just gonna pop it on that empty portion of the lid and let it flow into Young Love. Okay, that looks pretty nice. I like that. And for eyeliner, we're gonna take the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eyeliner Pencil in Black Market, and we're gonna line the upper lash line with it. Just gonna do just a very subtle wing. Okay, and now we're gonna clean up the fallout with a Q-tip and some micellar water, and we'll be back to do the lower lash line. I'm gonna take the eyeliner, the 24/7 Glide On Eyeliner in Love Drug. I think we're gonna use this as our under eye liner. Just kind of starting at the outer corner and pulling it down. Yeah, just like lightly normal eyeliner. Eyes watering just a little bit on this eye. Ooh, yeah, I like that in the tight line. Or the waterline, rather. I'm going to take my little 152 and Bing, and we're gonna run that along the lower lash line. I'm just gonna use it to blend that eyeliner as well. I'm bringing it all the way across. I'm also keeping the shadow on one side of the brush and one side's clean. That way it doesn't come down too far, and just using that to kind of hug around the eye. Alright, and I'm gonna go into Privacy just on the tip of this little brush on the outer corner. I'm gonna take Young Love, put it more in the center. Then again with Bang Bang on the inner part. Four, 5, 6, and with a little bit of feels, and I'm just gonna blend that out just a little bit. And I'm gonna go back with my eyeliner, Love Drug, and kind of re-intensify it. Okay, I think that's basically the eyes kind of done. Oh, don't water, stop that. Okay, so I'm gonna go do the rest of my face and mascara, and we'll be back for the finishing touches. Okay, so I went ahead and finished up my face, contour, bronze, that sort of thing, you know, foundation powder, all that, and I have done my mascara, brow gel, and went ahead and lined my lips using the NYX Sway lip liner in Vintage, because I feel like that kind of go with the lip color we're going to use. It's close as I got. So before we move on to the lips, I'm going to go ahead and do my highlighter. I think I'm going to use Snow Rose from NYX. This is a duochromatic highlighter. I'm going to use a little bit of it and maybe mix another shade in depending on how it looks with the eyes, because there's a warmth here, but I kind of wanted to pull in like a pinky highlighter. Put that on the high points. Oh yeah, that's not as blue as I thought it was. I was thinking of lavender steel. Okay, so I'm going to take this on the brow bone as well to tie it in to the eye. And I'm going to hit the inner corner. Blush, I'm going to use Milani Tea Rose. It's a favorite. I think it'll look really nice with this because it's just a pink, you know, it's like kind of mauve-y, but it still has that little bit of warmth in there. It's a very nice rosy shade. That just helps the highlighter melt in as well, doing it before the blush. Yeah, that looks pretty good to me, guys. I've got a pimple right there. I keep getting pimples over there. Why? It's so frustrating. Okay, for lips, we're gonna go in with Cherry, which is a creamy lipstick. I think it's kind of a matte-ish formula. This came with Cherry Vault collection, or as part of the Naked Cherry collection. This is the deep, just dark black cherry type of color. Oh, this is a beautiful shade. Yeah, I think this is one of their cream formulas. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's do some setting spray and finish this look off. Okay, use Shake and Glow, still trying to use her up. Alright, and here is the look all complete. I think it came out really nice. It's very pretty. Have I done something like this before? Oh, most definitely I have. I think I wasn't super impressed with the shade Young Love. I feel like it could have definitely had more of a punch to it, but it's just kind of a little lackluster. Not the worst, but definitely not the best. This is a pretty common shade. You know, it's that cranberry with the blue shift to it. I've had this, or have this shade in like a million palettes and have definitely seen it perform better. Is it bad though? Not really. It's a little more subtle than I guess what I was wanting. It doesn't have much metallic impact to it. The other shades though looked nice. I really think the mattes blended beautifully, and I like the way this look came out. It's not quite as dramatic as I thought it was going to be with the color story, but I might play with this some more and really see what kind of drama we can get out of it. Like, I want to see just how dark I can take a look with the Naked Cherry, and I also want to do a really nice daytime softer look. The lip shade I am loving. I think this looks beautiful on the lips. This is Cherry from the collection. Yeah, it's really nice. There's also the metallic one called Devilish. I haven't tried yet. We may give this one a go in another look as well. But yeah, I think this looks really good. I like tying in the more cool tone highlight. Kind of plays off the blue tones in that lid shade. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed following along with me and seeing how I created this look. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below some other looks you would like to see. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Stay spooky, stay safe, stay home. Bye now.